Welcome to Code Switch in 2020, where we teach indigenous languages. Today we'll continue with our Sepedi lessons, looking at lesson number 16, diaparo, clothing. By the end of this lesson, learners should be able to name common items of clothing in Sepedi, describe what they are wearing, talk about suitable clothing for different seasons and weather conditions. Clothes, diaparo, 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 diaparo. Shirt, hembe, 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 hembe. Trouser, borokgo, 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 borokgo. Dress, roko, 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 roko. Shoes, dieta, 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 dieta. Jacket, jasi, 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 jasi. Cap, kefa, 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 kefa. Jersey or sweater, jersey, 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 jersey. 5 sentences. Today I am wearing a white shirt. Le hono ke apere hempe ye tshweu. 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 I wear a jacket when it is cold. Ke apara jase ge go tonya. 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 Children wear shoes when they go to school. Bana ba apara dieta ge ba eya sekolong. 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 A cap protects my head from the sun. Kefa e nšireletša hlogo ya ka letšatšing. Kefa e šireletša 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 hlogo ya ka letšatšing. I like blue clothes. Ke rata diaparo tše putswa. 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 Grammar focus. Talking about what you are wearing. To describe what you are wearing, use ke apere. Ke apere, meaning I am wearing. Example, ke apere hempe. I am wearing a shirt. Ke apere hempe. Number 2, ke apere borokgo bjo bontsho. I am wearing black trouser. Ke apere borokgo bjo bontsho. Number 3, ke apere dieta tše mpsha. I am wearing new shoes. Ke apere dieta tše mpsha. Conversation practice. Person A. Le hono o apere eng? What are you wearing today? Le hono o apere eng? Person B. Ke apere hempe ye putswa le borokgo bjo bontsho. I am wearing a blue shirt and black trousers. Ke apere hempe ye putswa le borokgo bjo bontsho. Person A. Na o apere jersey? Are you wearing a jacket? Na o apere jersey? Person B. Ka gobane gwa tonya le hono. Yes, because it is cold today. Ka gobane gwa tonya le hono. Did you know, in many South African schools, learners wear school uniform? Learning clothing vocabulary helps you describe your uniform and talk about what people wear in different situations. Learner activity. Describe what you are wearing today using 3 Sepedi sentences. Write it down in the comment section. Example, ke apere hempe ye tshweu. Ke apere hempe ye tshweu. Number 2, ke apere borokgo bjo putswa. Ke apere borokgo bjo putswa. Number 3, ke apere dieta tše ntsho. Ke apere dieta tše ntsho. Pronunciation practice. Repeat these words aloud. I'll repeat them twice. Diaparo. Diaparo. Hempe. Hempe. Borokgo. Borokgo. Roko. Roko. Dieta. Dieta. Jase. Jase. Kefa. Kefa. Jersey. Jersey. Word of the day. Botse. Beauty. Botse. 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 Example. Diaparo tše di hlwekilego di botse di bontšha botse. Diaparo tše di hlwekilego di bontšha botse. Diaparo tše di hlwekilego di bontšha botse. Clean clothes shows neatness and beauty. Diaparo tše di hlwekilego di bontšha botse. Common mistakes. Ke apara hempe. When you mean right now. Ke apara hempe. When you mean right now. Instead, you should say, ke apere hempe. Meaning, I am wearing a shirt. Ke apere hempe. Explanation. Ke apara means I wear. Ke apere means I am wearing at this moment. This is one of the most common mistakes made by beginners. Ke apara means I wear or I usually wear. Ke apere means I am wearing at this moment. Ke apere. Thank you for watching. For more videos, please go to Code Switching 2020. Thank you.